Bitcoin looks like it's making a sharp recovery. Are we going to see Bitcoin hit $72,000 this month? That's exactly what we're predicting in this video. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan, and today we're doing a deep dive on Bitcoin. A lot of bearish action has been happening and has transpired in the past 4 months. And here's the thing. Looks like Bitcoin is about to have a swift recovery, and looks like the bulls are coming back into the market and absolutely going to take over. Guys, before the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button, as it helps with the channel tremendously and will help you reach your crypto goals. Also, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. We're taking a look at this tweet from Sensei BTC. BTC is going above $72,000 this month. Mark my words. When people make bold predictions, usually they are true because there's some sort of technicals coming in the play. And we're looking at the charts. We're looking like some drawing patterns coming up, setting up to go to $72,000, which doesn't sound that crazy because if you look at it, guys, just a couple weeks back, we were sitting at $73,000 Bitcoin. So to come back at $73,000 in the month of July doesn't sound that crazy when you factor in all the other things that we're going to take a look at in this video. Going over to overall market, guys, so things are starting to look good again. We are second day in the green, up 0.61% on the day. And also in terms of fear and greed index, we're currently at a 40. I believe yesterday we were at 37. We're very, very close to coming back to neutral and hopefully creeping back towards green. And as people are aping in, Bitcoin's a little bit down, but earlier today it was in the green, currently at $57,000. Ethereum climbed back up again, also in the green at $3,100, which is good as well. BTC coming back up, and same with Solana, also in the green for the day. Now, I want to show you guys a couple of highlights here. First and foremost, we're going to take a look at this one. Bitcoin's fourth post-halving rally is coming. This is a pattern of BTC. It happened 3 times in history since the beginning. It will never fail. The fourth post-halving cycle could bring BTC up to $100,000. We see first halving rally, second halving rally, third halving rally, and the fourth halving rally, and hopefully bring this to a crazy threshold, at least 6 figures. Again, to go into millions, I don't know, guys, especially in this halving, this run, I don't think so. But a 6-figure Bitcoin, it's not that crazy, right? And remember, like, this person's not just waffling here. They're taking history, right? They're taking this chart, they're taking this chart, they're taking this chart, right? Even with the same as third, where the third didn't spike as much as these ones did, and we landed over here, we're talking about $320,000 this bull run if Bitcoin just simply repeats history, right? We're not saying that's going to happen. We're also not saying that's not going to happen, but that's where we're looking at. Minimum 100K Bitcoin. Mark my words. Another tweet as well from the community tab on CoinMarketCap. BTC ETF net inflow for the July 9th plus 216 million. The net inflow has been positive for 3 consecutive trading days with all high net inflows. BlackRock continues leading the leaderboard with another large inflow of 121 million. Grayscale, however, saw an outflow of 37 million again just after 1 day of inflow, which is pretty insane to say the least. We're taking a look at the chart, guys. We're seeing more money's coming in versus coming out, which is hopefully going to help support Bitcoin to take to the next threshold, right? Talking about support, we're taking a look at support levels and the technicals. We're seeing on the oscillators a sell, the averages give us a strong sell, give us a summary of sell. And obviously, and anybody look at the chart, that's pretty clear. There's a lot of selling going down. We're going 1 month down 17%. Absolutely not terrible. Like we've took some harder loss in the past before, and I think this is just a setback for a setup, right? I want to open the chart over here, and I want to show you guys just a quick history of Bitcoin, especially when we look at the way that these bull runs work, right? We take a look at last bull run as well, right? We saw Bitcoin climb a steep in 2021, and it pulled back approximately 35-40%, right? Then it pumped off again, right? And then it pulled back. We're seeing a very similar pattern here. We saw a little bit of pump. Let's just say we're replicating this first pump. We're seeing a small correction right now, which we're seeing correction to set up for a bigger pump, right? And that's just one out of so many other technical drives indicating, right? We'll go back to tweets. We see BlackRock ETF has another 18 billion inflow since its launch in January. Okay. We just in CFTC chairman says in Illinois court ruled Bitcoin and Ethereum are commodities. That's pretty bullish. We're seeing daily RSI oversold equals support. We'll likely see a rally of this support. People often forget how fast things could change, and literally predicting a $75,000 Bitcoin, like I predicted in the beginning of the video, it break into $72,000 Bitcoin. Absolutely, definitely going to happen very, very soon. And all these chatter patterns are drawn out, guys, by people in the space who know what they're doing. It's not like we're just sitting here with a crystal ball hoping and praying, right? These are technical drawings, right? The next big leg up will start now. So if today, or if this really is a bottom, we're looking at least breaking off to $74,000 range, which we're going to see some volatility there, and then potentially popping off to upwards of $82,000. I mean, it could go downwards from there as well, but the point is, now is your time to load up on Bitcoin, guys, because it is going to pump. We're talking about a solid pump incoming. We've seen Santa Monica opens a Bitcoin office to explore BTC education for its residents. Pretty bullish. Bitcoin bull run begins. 4 years, and this is the most recent cycle, and hopefully somewhere along this line we're going to hit $160,000 based off this curving pattern drawn out. Now guys, none of this is financial advice, so always your own research and due diligence, but let me know how you feel about Bitcoin in the comment section below. Are you bullish or bearish? I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, and I think it's a solid basis for you to load up if you haven't loaded up already. But again, none of this is financial advice, always your own research and due diligence. Until next time, it's friend Umar. Peace.